Hello everyone! I'm AYANA, a Vtuber. Today I will explain how to set up a 3D layer. Let's begin! Let's start! By using the 3D layer, you can treat layers that were previously two-dimensional on the x-axis and the y-axis as three-dimensional layers on the x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis. First, place the file layer on the timeline panel. In this case, we will create and use a text layer. If you check the transform property, you can see that the values of properties such as anchor point, position, and scale are displayed in two dimensions, x-axis and y-axis. Before applying the 3D layer, if the switch column does not appear on the timeline panel, click Expand or collapse the Layer Switches pane button at the bottom left to display the switches. To change a layer to a 3D layer, click the 3D layer button of this layer to turn it on. When turning on the 3D layer, a z-axis value is added to every property. When you select a 3D layer on the composition panel, the x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis are displayed with arrows like this. When applying the 3D layer, Material Options is added to the property. You can adjust the texture of the 3D layer by adding lights, shadow, etc. If you click the 3D layer button again, you can turn off the 3D layer and return it to the 2D layer. When the 3D layer button is turned off, the Material Options, Properties, and Z-axis values will no longer be displayed. This is the end of the lecture on how to set up the 3D layer. How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again for the next lecture. See you soon. Bye-bye.